we begin, like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for the latest updates. A group of civil society organizations in Karnataka will stage an Election Commission Chalo protest in Bengaluru on September 1st, opposing voter deletions under the Special Intensive Revision or SIR of electoral rules. The groups represented by actor and activist Prakash Raj have also said they will approach the courts seeking a halt to the exercise. The protest follows the publication of Karnataka's draft electoral rolls on August 24th. The draft retained around 4.46 crore voters, while 1.07 crore electors, or 19.48% of the electorate, were classified as absent, shifted, dead, duplicate, and others, or ASDDO. Organizations including Edelu Karnataka, Muslim Muttahade Mahaz, Namma Mata Namma Hakku Vedige, Active Bangalore, and Nagarika Mata Kavalvi Samiti have questioned several of these classifications. They said they had no major objection to genuine deletions under the dead and duplicate categories, but alleged errors in the other classifications. They claimed workers away from home were marked absent, while voters who moved to another locality were sometimes classified as shifted instead of being given an opportunity to transfer their registration. Prakash Raj called the issue a very big battle and said protests would also be organized across districts. The organization clarified that their criticism was not aimed at Chief Electoral Officer V. Anbukumar or booth level officers, but at the Election Commission of India and the design of the SIR process.
Today, the civil society of Karnataka, with its point of view or their perception of what the Election Commission has done through SIR, we have submitted an FIR. An FIR by civil society of Karnataka to the Election Commission. We strongly protest the whole process because we knew when it was coming to Karnataka, we have seen what has happened in other states. We were prepared. We were prepared because the whole Election Commission, the process of SIR, in its beginning itself was leading to this chaos. The very way the Election Commission was elected with 2 ruling party members and 1 opposition party member, where there is no democracy. When the Parliament passed a resolution that Election Commission is judicially, when the Election Commission was given judicial immunity, how in a democratic country, I understand a Supreme Court judge having judicial immunity because you can't escape. How an independent organization for Election Commission can be granted judicial immunity? That means you have emboldened them to become and behave like. And that's exactly what has happened. And when it happened in Bengal, there more than crores were deleted and they were removed. And today, what are we seeing in Bengal? Out of the 65 lakh deleted, 27 lakh went to the court. Only 30,000 has gone through. And now the 27 has gained momentum to become 34. It's going to run for years. And in a country, democratic country like this India, a government was elected without the real voters. So we did not want it. Today we see absent is a crime in this country. Whole process, the enumeration process is wrong. All enumeration. One second. Yetto part the matter you go yetto. Sound that. Take a question back. And what? So we Karnataka, we are not putting the enumeration whole SIR process because first 5.5 crore voters in 1 month. It is important. Normal election information cannot clear. So they took all the government servants. They were not trained. Enumeration form, as they claim, was not given to everybody. And the whole process was going to a house to be given enumeration form. There you have to give form number 6 if there are new voters. Form number 7 for them if there is somebody there. Form number 8 if somebody has shifted. They went just because somebody is absent, delete. Somebody has shifted. Shifted and deleted is coming up to 80 lakhs. And they can come back only to form number 6. This we are not going to accept. Because we are not going to become a new voter. The voters who are absent and shifted are there and alive. You have that. Why are you not saying you are absent, you are shifted, so you can come back to form number 8, just telling you why you are absent, or showing your documents of your presence, or the shifted house, whether you have got a new house or you have shifted. Why is this not done? Why parallelly new voters given form number 6 has not been filled? What is others? What is the data? Why are you not announcing? What is discrepancies? So there is a lot of flaws in the whole thing, which the civil society is not accepting. And 2 crore voters who stand in queues, the citizens of this country standing in queues to become fresh citizens, is laughable. So the civil society has decided that we will fight. We are going to pressurize the Karnataka government, which represents the citizens of Karnataka, to take it to the Election Commission and to the courts. We are assembling on September 1st and we are starting a jata called Election Commission Chalo with the people who are affected. This fight will continue to restore democracy, to stop this autocratic or dictatorial attitude of Election Commission.
Sir, where you will be going, sir? You said you are starting Election Commission Chalo. It will start from Bangalore to Delhi or what?
Election Commission Chalo, the state election first will go to the Election Commission here.
Sir, the draft roll came yesterday and the final roll will come in the month of October. You have given clean sheet to Mr. Anbu Kumar.
See,
But you have brought the Chief Election Commission of India into the dock.
Anbu Kumar is just an officer. He will do what the government or whatever the assembly is saying. You are fighting wrong. Anbu Kumar is fighting. You have to fight the system. The process of SIR. You have to extend it for only 8 months. You have to go door to door. You have to give Form 8 for those people who are shifted. Give 3 visits to persons so that you actually connect with the person who is absent because he is there. Enroll new voters to Form 6. That is how you have to do. That is what was done in 2003. And your spelling mistakes are not done to the people of this country. Because last SIR, you went and you filled the form. Your BLOs have made a mistake. Your BLOs today have not uploaded. Why should the people suffer for what you have not uploaded?
Well, during this period, there is opportunity at least for 50 lakhs people to come and
Opportunity
verify
what?
all
Why
that.
are you getting into the trap? Opportunity to come with Form 6?
No. They will serve the notice to the people who.
To whom will they serve notice? Not for the absentees and the shifted. Not for the absentees and shifted. Serving the notice also, ERO, everybody gets a supreme power. There is no guarantee you will come back into the vote. There will be nobody to question them. So you can't succumb to the system which is already wrong. Coming without announcing, coming not engaging the people, not telling the people what it is, coming without a proper scientific approach or trained BLOs. You can't put a country in chaos. 5.5 crore votes in 1 month. No, sir.
Sir, now
The problem
currently,
is in the process. You either correct the process, you redo it.
sir, now currently we have ASDDO list at 1.7 crore and the notices for anomalies for non-mapping and this thing around 43 lakhs. So approximately 1.50 this thing. Sir, are you going to the court now again? Because last time they said, let us wait, it is too early.
See, we have now announced, we have put our FIR, we have announced that we are going to fight. The first one would be all district levels we will be talking. And on September 1st, all the voters, how many ever we can get, people who are affected, will go for Election Commission Chalo. And let us see what they react and how we will go. There are a lot of things.